Hi everyone, I'd like to talk to you today about the NSK Stores Survey, which is one of the 4 surveys from our AIP Service Menu. This is particularly focused on the storage and handling of bearings, the identification of any duplicate bearings that might offer opportunities to rationalise stock, bearing condition check, identifying damaged or indeed obsolete bearings that you might have on the shelf, the accuracy and quality of your bearing descriptions, and there are a number of benefits that you will gain from going through this process with us. First of all, it's an opportunity to reduce the inventory value of your bearings. Also, it's an opportunity to convert any OEM supplied parts to standard commercial parts, which will indeed save you money. Reduce risk of fitting inferior quality bearings, which, had they been fitted, would fail prematurely, which would clearly increase the operational costs. Indeed, we also look to remove and isolate any obsolete parts that we find, which means in your stores you only have the working stock that's left, making it more efficient and more effective. The survey will also offer recommendations on improving the general storage and handling conditions, and doing that will help you to reduce the mean time to find spares in the stores. Following one of the surveys, you'll receive a full documented report from us, incorporating the details of our findings, including digital images to support the text that we provide. So I hope it's given you a bit of a flavour and a taste for what this survey is all about. And if you would like some more information, please feel free to message me on LinkedIn, where you can also download a copy of the AIP brochure. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and enjoy the rest of your day. Thanks very much.